Hello, and welcome to Theatre Bites, essential theatre knowledge in minutes. Today, we're diving into the dramatic world of Elizabethan theatre, the age of Shakespeare, sword fights, and standing room only audiences. Elizabethan theatre refers to the plays and performances from 1558 to 1603 during the reign of Queen Elizabeth I. This era exploded with creativity. It gave us William Shakespeare, Christopher Marlowe, and the first real public theatres in England. Before this period, plays were usually performed in inn-yards or town squares, but in 1576, a theatre, simply called the Theatre, was built in London. And then came the most iconic of them all, the Globe Theatre, where Shakespeare plays were brought to life for noisy and rowdy crowds. Theatres were circular or polygonal, open to the sky, and had 3 levels of seating. Poorer audience members, called groundlings, paid a penny to stand in the pit. Wealthier folks sat in covered galleries. There was no electricity, so all shows were in daylight, with no microphones, no sets, and no women on stage. Actors used loud, projected voices, exaggerated costumes, and minimal props to tell their stories. Shakespeare introduced over 1,700 words into the English language and revolutionized storytelling through poetry, prose, and dramatic structure. His plays tackled love, betrayal, power, and ambition, all themes that still resonate in modern theatre and film. So next time you hear "to be or not to be," remember, it wasn't just Shakespeare making history, it was the stage itself. Thanks for watching Theatre Bites, your shortcut to essential theatre knowledge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. And if there's a topic you'd like me to cover, then leave a comment or suggestion below. I'd love to hear what you would like next. Until then, see you in the next bite.